Welcome to today's news update. Here are the 10 top stories we are covering today. Trump is reportedly going full steam ahead with the Golden Dome. The Pentagon has selected Impulse Space and Anduril to develop prototypes for the Golden Dome's space-based missile tracking and targeting technology. This technology aims to detect and thwart potential aerial attacks on American soil, with a focus on finding and destroying enemy missiles and drones in their early stages. The project, announced by Trump in 2025, has a reported timeline of 20 years to build, with the first major test scheduled for before the 2028 presidential election. Which automatic litter box is best? We tested Litter Robot's lineup. Litter Robot releases upgraded automatic litter box lineup with various models catering to different needs and budgets. The Litter Robot 5 Pro features dual cameras and AI-powered insights, while the compact EVO model offers a pared-down design. All models are available in black or white, with the 5 Pro being the most luxurious option featuring advanced health monitoring capabilities. Bose's new wired speaker sounds like Sonos on steroids. Bose has launched its new lifestyle collection, featuring a $299 wired speaker and premium soundbar subwoofer combo. The Lifestyle Ultra speaker boasts a big sound with 3 drivers, including an up-firing driver designed to project sound towards the ceiling and walls, creating a sense of space. It also features true spatial processing technology for Dolby Atmos-like content from non-Dolby Atmos sources. Runway to Space Challenge brings spaceflight closer. The Runway to Space Challenge, a U.S. competition, is revolutionizing space research by allowing teams to fly payloads on a reusable spaceplane that takes off and lands on a runway, reducing the complexity and expense of traditional rocket launches. The program utilizes the Aurora spaceplane from Dawn Aerospace, which can reach the edge of space and provide microgravity for short periods. NASA wants to put nuclear reactors on the moon. NASA aims to place nuclear reactors on the moon's surface and in orbit by 2030 as part of its efforts to ensure U.S. space superiority. The initiative will involve collaboration between NASA, the Department of Defense, and the Department of Energy. This move is expected to provide a reliable source of energy for lunar missions and spacecraft, allowing them to travel farther and longer with fewer constraints. New FCC satellite rules could improve Starlink capacity to a surprising degree. The Federal Communications Commission, FCC, has approved new rules for low Earth orbit satellites, allowing them to transmit signals more efficiently and potentially increasing capacity by up to 7-fold. This modernization of satellite spectrum sharing rules aims to enhance the broadband experience for millions of Americans with faster speeds, lower costs, and greater reliability. From lunar dust to breathable air, Blue Origin has announced a prototype method for converting moon dust into breathable oxygen, dubbed Air Pioneer. The system melts regolith and passes an electric current through it to release O2 molecules. This technology is not entirely new, as NASA has been working on similar research under the gaseous lunar oxygen from regolith electrolysis, GALOR project for years. Welcome to the great American satellite age. Basalt Space, a US-based startup, successfully launched its first satellite after 22 hours of non-stop work by the 5-engineer team. The company is part of a growing trend of startups aiming to provide reliable and secure access to satellite imaging, navigation, and communication services, countering traditional gatekeepers like Starlink. Trump fires the entire National Science Board. President Trump has fired the entire National Science Board, which advises on the future of the National Science Foundation. The move is seen as a blow to American innovation and science. The NSB is apolitical, and its members were chosen for their expertise in scientific fields. Anduril announces team for its Golden Dome space-based missile interceptor effort. Anduril Industries announced its consortium to develop space-based interceptors for the U.S. Space Force as part of the Trump administration's Golden Dome initiative. The space-based interceptor program deploys weapons in orbit, enabling earlier missile interceptions, and Anduril's team includes commercial space startups and research institutions. The project aims to demonstrate an integrated interceptor capability by around 2028. Please like, subscribe, and comment your views on this channel.